As recovery continues across the island, some Jamaicans are finding creative ways to help those hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa, including one Negril restaurant that's turned its kitchen into a relief hub. More in this report.
Inside this popular Negril restaurant, the chefs and overseas volunteers are hard at work. But the meals being prepared are not for customers, but for victims of Hurricane Melissa.
Like yesterday was our first day. We did 300 meals and we brought to Savlamar. And to see the people lining up and just how hungry everybody was, and then afterwards seeing the sustenance gained, and you know, the fact that they could now think about something else because the loudness of hunger is now gone. You know, it's hard to focus on anything else when you're hungry. So this is a part of the recovery process. I think it's a major part of the recovery process for the people of Westmoreland is knowing where their next meal is coming from. Because right now, a lot of them don't. They don't even have a kitchen to prepare a meal, much less the items.
Matthew's restaurant has been getting help from the World Central Kitchen, an international charity organization comprising chefs who provide meals to citizens living in countries where there is distress. After the meals are prepared, then it's on to the aircraft for distribution. Then they're met by more volunteers on the ground.
From this facility alone, we're doing 3,000 meals just from this one site. So, and all in all, we must be doing over 15, 20,000 meals a day right now, comfortably, you know, if not more. So we're definitely trying to feed the people. We're trying to do it daily. So we're here consistently making sure Jamaicans are fed.
And it's not just residents of Westmoreland who are being served.
We set up camps throughout Jamaica. We have Mobay, we have Kingston, we have Negril, Savlamar. What we're doing right now is we're feeding as many people as we can on a daily basis. We have helicopter runs with food. We're trying to do whatever we can to support the people in Jamaica who need help right now.
Persons who are marooned are not left out.
Outside of these distribution centers that we have, these mass ones, we also have little satellite distribution centers that target these areas that have been severely hit by the hurricane, and we're distributing food directly to the people there.
As for the operators of Matthew's restaurant, this initiative is not just about serving the victims.
It's been instrumental in not only getting my team members back to work and making money again, but also out of the house. You know, their mental state is better, their emotional state is better. We're here together as a team. We laugh and we joke, even though some of us have lost everything, and even loved ones. So you know, it's great on that side, and I'm so happy to be able to have my team out.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.